Hi everybody, as you're getting back your needs assessment papers, I wanted to go over two key points about feedback. The first is how to see the feedback I give you, and the second is what does feedback look like. On the smaller assignments that you've done so far, the feedback is inside Blackboard. But in the larger assignments that you do, like the papers, the assignments are downloaded. I give you feedback directly on the assignment, and then I upload that into Blackboard. So let's see what that looks like. So this is my grades as a fake student. So that's why they're so low. I just put in grades so that I can show you how this looks. So you go to the grade book and you click on the assignment, go to the assignment, needs assessment, and click on that feedback bubble for that assignment. And what will happen is something like this should appear. This right here would be what I have given back to you. When you click on those three dots, you see the download button and you must download the document. If you look at the document in Blackboard, you will see none of the color schemes provided to you. So you must download this. You cannot do that on a phone. You must be on some type of device other than a phone. I'm not sure you can do it on a tablet either. So once you download it, this is the type of information you should see. This is feedback on an A paper. So an A paper has this much feedback on it. So no matter what your paper is, it should have this kind of feedback. I try not to, this is from about 5 or 6 years ago. I try not to use red anymore because people say it's intimidating. So there will be colored ink here. It might be blue, it might be green, it might be purple. Sometimes it's red. There is a guide in the information section that explains what the feedback looks like, but just quickly. Blue means that you are using emotionally charged words or you're editorializing. Yellow means there's a problem. And usually after the problem, I give you some feedback on what's wrong. Like this says illicit drug use disorder. I'm questioning the terminology. The official diagnosis is substance use disorder. So as you go through, you can see all of the information. If something is wrong, I typically have a line drawn through it. And again, there's feedback after that telling you what is correct or incorrect. If you open the document and you don't see something that looks like this, you are reading what you submitted to me rather than what I gave back. There should be two documents available to you. One is a scoring rubric. One is your paper with feedback like this on it. Oops. In order to really identify some of the issues that you might be having after you read the feedback, I have posted after this video a link for Sign Up Genius. There are 27 times available. If none of the times work to you, email me some options. The purpose of these meetings is to go over individual questions you have after you've looked at your paper and the feedback that you've gotten on it. You are not required to do this, but if you're having trouble understanding the feedback I provided, this is an opportunity for you to really get some information about the feedback and or ask questions about the community analysis paper that is coming up to be due soon. Please reach out if you have questions.